One of the biggest challenges that people face when managing their personal finances is setting aside the time to do it. After you make the decision to begin the process, you must choose dates and times where you will not be distracted and place it on your calendar. You will have to set aside time in order to get organized. This also includes opening up your mail. During this time, you will also create financial goals, create a budget, pay your bills, determine how to generate additional income if needed, as well as reviewing your credit reports and developing a plan to address issues. If you do not set aside time, you will find that even if you start the process, you will not stick with your plan because of distractions. If you need assistance with this process, contact me to learn how I can assist you. This is Dr. Andrea Johnson, your Doctor of Finance. Have a wonderful day.